and welcome to this lesson on Policy as Code using Open Policy Agent OPA. In today's fast-evolving tech landscape, ensuring consistent security and compliance across systems has never been more critical. As cloud computing and microservices architectures grow, traditional security methods struggle to keep up. This is where Policy as Code (PAC) changes the game. By defining policies as code, organizations can enforce security and compliance in an automated, scalable, and version-controlled way. At the forefront of this transformation is Open Policy Agent OPA, a powerful tool for defining and enforcing policies across different environments. Let's dive in and explore how OPA enables automated policy enforcement in modern infrastructures. In this lesson, we'll cover what is Policy as Code (PAC), understanding its purpose and benefits, why Open Policy Agent OPA, how it enables policy automation, where OPA fits in modern architectures, key integration points, building and writing policies with OPA and Rego, a practical look at policy creation, automating policy enforcement, how OPA ensures continuous security, key benefits and challenges, what makes OPA a must-have tool. Let's dive in. Policy as Code (PAC) is a method of defining and enforcing policies, such as security, compliance, and operational rules, through code. Traditionally, policies were written in manual documents, or enforced through ad hoc configurations. These approaches were hard to standardize, leading to security gaps. With Policy as Code, policies are written in a declarative language, making them automatable. Policies are also version controlled, just like application code, and security teams can integrate policies into CI/CD pipelines, enforcing compliance at every stage. Some benefits of Policy as Code include: 1. Consistency across environments. Policies are applied uniformly, regardless of the environment, whether it's development, testing, or production. 2. Version control and auditability. Policies are stored as code, meaning they can be versioned, reviewed, and audited just like any other software code. 3. Automated and scalable enforcement. Policy as Code integrates with CI/CD to continuously enforce security policies, reducing misconfigurations and enabling effortless scaling across complex environments. Now, let's introduce the tool that makes this possible. Open Policy Agent, OPA, is an open-source, general-purpose policy engine that enables policy as code across different technology stacks. As a tool, it is versatile. OPA can handle access control, security enforcement, compliance checks, and more. It is lightweight and fast. It integrates easily with various systems. It uses an expressive language called Rego. Rego is a declarative language for defining policies. OPA is widely used in the following. 1. Kubernetes. OPA acts as an admission controller, checking if a Kubernetes deployment meets security policies before it's allowed. 2. API Gateway Security. OPA enforces access control policies for APIs, ensuring only authorized requests are allowed. 3. CI/CD Workflows. OPA scans infrastructure as code IAC configurations, preventing security misconfigurations from reaching production. 4. Cloud Security. OPA evaluates cloud resource configurations to ensure compliance with security policies. Now, let's look at how we write and enforce policies using OPA and Rego. OPA policies are written in Rego, a powerful, declarative language that defines rules for policy enforcement. Here's an example policy in Rego that enforces a simple rule, only allowing container images from an approved registry. In this example, the policy is designed for a Kubernetes admission controller, where it checks the kind of request. It only allows requests where the pod image is from a specified approved registry. If a pod configuration does not meet this requirement, the policy blocks the deployment, enforcing secure usage of container images. OPA enables fine-grained control over security policies in a structured, scalable way. But how do we enforce these policies automatically? Let's find out. One of the biggest advantages of OPA is automatic policy enforcement across different environments. For instance, in CI/CD pipelines, integrating OPA ensures that security and compliance policies are checked before deployment. In microservices and APIs, OPA decouples policy decisions from business logic, making authorization more flexible and maintainable. In Kubernetes security, OPA policies prevent misconfigurations before they are deployed, reducing vulnerabilities. By embedding OPA in version control and CI/CD workflows, security becomes proactive rather than reactive. Using OPA for policy as code offers several advantages. Here is a list of key benefits of using OPA for policy as code. 1. Language-agnostic. OPA can work across any language or stack, making it suitable for diverse environments and architectures. 2. Declarative and modular. Policies in Rego are modular and reusable, allowing policies to be easily adapted to different parts of a system. 3. Decoupled from business logic. Policies are managed independently of application logic. 4. Strong community and ecosystem support. OPA is an open source project with a vast support network. Some potential challenges of integrating OPA includes learning curve. Rego syntax can be complex for beginners. Performance overhead. Running policy checks in high throughput environments requires optimization. Integration complexity. Some legacy systems may not support OPA natively. Despite these challenges, OPA is one of the most powerful tools for enforcing security and compliance at scale. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Policy as code. PAC ensures security and compliance through automation. Open Policy Agent. OPA enables flexible, scalable policy enforcement across various environments. OPA integrates with Kubernetes, API gateways, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud security. Rego is OPA's declarative policy language, allowing for fine-grained access control and security enforcement. Automating OPA policies enhances consistency, security, and compliance across an organization's infrastructure. OPA isn't just a policy tool, it's a critical part of modern security strategies. By embedding policy as code into development and deployment workflows, organizations can ensure continuous, automated compliance in fast-paced cloud environments. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.